सब फाटक, सब सिग्नल मैं तोड़ आया।
It was a bright summer day in May 2023 when an excited Sachin Meena brought his newly wedded wife Seema to meet his parents in his small home in UP's Greater Noida's Rabupura village. Mom, I've got you a daughter-in-law from Pakistan. But unlike Jaya Bachchan in K3G, who waited to welcome her son with a puja ki thali,
तेरी पूजा करूं मैं तो हरदम, कभी खुशी कभी गम।
Sachin's mother held a broom as welcome.
पाकिस्तान? क्या पाकिस्तान? ए माँ माता जी।
His father was equally aghast, who inadvertently cut himself while shaving.
तुझे मना किया था ना, बर्बाद कर ली तूने जिंदगी।
The commotion also made his grandfather get up from his slumber.
पाकिस्तानी बहू, क्या सही सुना मैंने? नाक कट जाएगी हमारी तो।
While his angry uncle cast aspersions on her. दुश्मन देश की बहू, पक्का जासूस होगी। Seema, in traditional custom, went to take her elder's blessings.
सासू माँ, प्लीज हमें अपना लीजिए और आशीर्वाद दीजिए।
However, the angry family looked the other way and left them standing all alone. Sachin was very hurt by their behavior. At least his family should have accepted his choice. So the angry, love-struck Sachin left his home and took Seema to stay in a rented room in the same neighborhood.
प्यारे बच्चों, अब्बू आ रहे हैं।
Where surprise, surprise, they had already kept Seema's 4 children from her first marriage, whom he had embraced as their new father. That first night, only Sachin's cousin came to celebrate the occasion with him.
कितनी सुंदर भाभी लाए भैया, कोई भी पगला जाए, पर ऐसी छोरी को पटाया कैसे? आप बताओ।
तुझे बड़ी चुल मच रही, तो सुन शुरुआत से।
ये चांद का रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा।
Your Seema bhabhi got married to one Ghulam Haider in 2014 at a tender age of 18. Kabul hai.
कबूल है।
In Airpur district of Pakistan's Sindh province. After marriage, they moved to Karachi city and lived in a small flat in a dilapidated building in a narrow lane full of garbage and overflowing sewage. Ghulam worked as a rickshaw driver and he didn't earn much. In the coming years, they had a hand-to-mouth existence, barely able to feed their 3 small children.
आमदनी अठन, खर्चा रुपया।
एक तुम्हारे लिए और ये दूध छुटकी के लिए।
और अम्मी तुम्हारे लिए?
बेटा, मेरा पेट तो तुम्हारे अब्बू के तानों से ही भर जाता है।
The couple had fights galore.
नौकरानी बनाने के लिए शादी की है क्या? दिन भर खाना बनाती हूँ, सफाई करती हूँ, कपड़े धोती हूँ, सोने का हार कब ला कर दोगे मुझे?
And Ghulam used to lose his cool often.
दिन भर लोगों को यहाँ वहाँ चलाता थक जाऊं, उसके बाद तुम्हारी मांगे ना खत्म होती, जहन्नम हो गई मेरी जिंदगी।
To get away from this existence and also to provide for his large family, he ended up in the Gulf at a better paying job in late 2019.
come to Dubai.
From where he sent back money to his family and their financial condition improved. But now, Seema had another problem of loneliness and felt increasingly depressed because even though he was harsh with her, she still missed her husband. अब आते हैं मेरी कहानी पर। मैं अभी सिर्फ 18 साल का ही हुआ था and started working at a grocery store for a salary of 8,000 rupees. Then in 2020 the pandemic struck, the shop shut and I lost my job. But it turned out to be a life-changing moment for me as the shooter game PUBG came into my life. One day while enemy forces were going to ambush me in the middle of a game, your bhabhi came jumping in like Katrina Kaif, killed them all and saved me. It was like action mein romance on the virtual battlefield of PUBG. We started playing together for hours on end, teasing each other. आज बचाओगी नहीं मुझे?
तभी तो दबंग लौंडे की तरह तुम मुझे बचाओ।
Seema surely had more gumption than me because she was the one who asked first.
मेरे प्यारे सचिन, मुझे अपने बारे में और बताओ ना।
We soon got to know each other in the real world on Instagram and WhatsApp and grew closer by chatting and talking, sometimes till 3 a.m. at night. She was 5 years older than me and had children, but I was so smitten that I even sang a Bizbo-like shairi for her. आलू भरा पराठा, पानी भरा गिलास, सीमा तेरी याद में भूख लगे न प्यास. I would ask her to keep her phone on even while she slept so that I could keep looking at her with the video call on. I had become so possessive of her that once when she missed answering my call, I blocked her from all my accounts. A distraught Seema cut herself on her arms in grief.
मैं तुम्हारे बिना नहीं जी सकती सचिन.
तड़प तड़प के इस दिल से याद निकलती रही मुझको सजा दी प्यार की ऐसा क्या.
Only after my brother showed me the pictures she sent to him of her cuts, I felt guilty and started talking to her again and promised to always be together. She loved me so much that she fell in love with Indian culture too, celebrating Karwa Chauth in a sari, Navratri and Holi with me on WhatsApp video calls. 4 years into our relationship, we, the citizens of enemy countries, now dream of spending our lives together.
बेस की आँख, तू क्या कदर के सनी देओल की तरह पाकिस्तान गया था उसे लेने?
तूने सीमा को फ्लावर समझा क्या? फायर है वो. ऐसा हुआ कि but just then Sachin's uncle barges onto the terrace, holds his son Sachin's cousin by the ears and drags him away from there, berating Sachin. तूने प्यार के लिए परिवार को पराया कर दिया. लानत हो तुझ पे. But Sachin didn't lose hope that he could right the situation. But first, he needed a job and he got one at another grocery shop nearby. Every night for the next few weeks, he returned to their rented flat, joyfully having dinner with Seema and her kids as a family. In between, he went home to spend time with his parents, though the atmosphere remained tense.
बेटा घर आया है, उसके साथ एक चाय तो पी लो.
Which he tried to dispel with humor. चाय से क्या दुश्मनी पापा? वो तो इंडियन है ना? His mom was more sympathetic to his cause and the one he tried to convince first.
वो बहुत अच्छी है माँ. इतनी सुंदर बंदी मुझे नहीं मिलेगी इंडिया में.
Trying to talk sense to his uncle.
कैसे भरोसा दिलाऊं आपको कि स्पाई नहीं है वो? भैया जानते हैं सालों से उससे.
And like Sunny Deol in Gadar accepted Islam to woo his wife's parents in Pakistan,
तुम्हें इस्लाम कबूल है? कबूल है.
Seema showed Sachin's family that she had actually converted to Hinduism.
मम्मी पापा, हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद था, जिंदाबाद है और जिंदाबाद रहेगा.
She dressed wearing a Radhe Radhe scarf, putting bindi and sindoor on her forehead, and also embraced vegetarian food, going to the extent of changing her children's names from Farhan to Raj, Farwa to Priyanka, Fariha to Pari, and Farah to Munni. Her efforts impressed Sachin's mother, who finally convinced his father.
जो होना था सो हो गया. मान जाओ अब तो पूरा मोहल्ला बातें बनाने लगा है.
Women in the neighborhood were gossiping.
सचिन क्या है सचिन में? लप्पू तो सचिन है. मुंह में तो बोलना वहाँ पे आ गए ना. बोलना है ना. हीरो का लड़का.
So the prudent father relented and advised the couple.
सीमा को अपनाने के लिए हम तैयार हैं. सचिन, शादी को कानूनी बनाना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है.
And both happily went to a lawyer and submitted their documents to get his help for a court marriage. But the lawyer was confused when he saw Pakistan national identity card among them. पाकिस्तान से हो क्या आप? इंडिया की वीजा कहाँ है? इंडिया की वीजा दिखाओ. Their faces turned pale as Sachin gripped Seema's hand under the table, and the scared duo left immediately without revealing anything more. The lawyer smelled something fishy and called the police. I want to report a case of illegal immigration from Pakistan. Sachin, still outside his office, had the presence of mind to try and overhear him. The couple fled directly from there, Greater Noida, to Haryana's Balabgarh in a roadways bus. But the police were hot on their trail and apprehended the bus midway. Seema was arrested on July 4th for illegally entering India from Pakistan, and Sachin and his father for conspiring to give her shelter. While she was being brought to the local police station, Seema shrieked to some media reporters.
मुझे वापस नहीं जाना प्लीज. मैं सचिन से प्यार करती हूँ. सब कुछ छोड़ कर आई हूँ उसके साथ परिवार बसाने के लिए.
Heavens probably smiled upon the lovers. As 4 days later on July 8th, a lenient judge gave them all bail, but with riders.
You can't go out of the country without the court's permission, nor can you change your address.
They might have come out of jail, but now they were under house arrest by the TV media and local YouTube reporters, who who ran a circus with their clown reporters all over their house from morning till night for 16 hours a day. Crowds from all over UP flocked to their house to see Seema.
पाकिस्तानी भाभी को देखना है, जल्दी चलो.
As expected, after the surfeit of Bollywood spy movies released recently, accusations started flying that she was a Pakistani spy and had honey-trapped Sachin. But it makes no sense because unlike Pradeep Kurulkar, a top researcher for missiles in DRDO, Sachin is not a high-value target. Still, UP's ATS took the couple in for a long session of questioning on July 17th and 18th.
सच सच बता, ISI के साथ कब से मिली हुई है तू? ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है मैडम.
And here it was that she revealed the mystery of how she crossed over to India.
कैसे आई वीजा के बिना बॉर्डर पार करके? किसने दिए इतने पैसे? पूरी बात तो ये है मैडम जी.
She narrated her story.
In Feb 2023, I first went to get an Indian visa legally, but the officer showed away a poor person like me. Then in March, a local travel agent helped me to fly from Karachi to Dubai, from where I took a connecting flight to Kathmandu. There, I finally met the dream of my life, Sachin, for the first time in the beautiful romantic valleys of Kathmandu. We then got married in the Pashupatinath Mandir, according to Hindu rituals and customs. It was the best time of my life as we roamed around the streets for the first time and made Instagram reels together, huddled together on our honeymoon bed in our cozy hotel room. We watched the super hit Hindi movie Gadar, as we always felt it's our life story shown on screen. Actually, Sachin first wanted to come to Pakistan, but I stopped him. देखो, तुम्हारे हाथ में ये ओम है. पाकिस्तान में हिंदू बने रहने का जीना बहुत मुश्किल है. I also wanted to come and stay here, as I love the freedom that women get in India compared to my conservative society in Pakistan. So we temporarily parted ways. डरो मत सचिन, हम जरूर मिलेंगे और हमेशा साथ रहेंगे. Back in our countries, we browsed online on how I can enter India from Nepal's porous borders. So I sold a small extra flat we had at a low price of Pakistani 12 lakh rupees. That is about 5 lakh Indian rupees to finance my journey. Then luck once again favored me, as after the arrest of the then Pakistani PM Imran Khan on May 9, I used the cover of curfew and internet suspension in Karachi due to violent protests by his fans to escape from my house. I was happy that now, without any phone network, my husband and his family were completely cut off from me. Again, I repeated the earlier route from Karachi to Sharjah, from there to Kathmandu, and this time travelled further to Pokhara in Nepal. There, a tout helped us to dress like Indian villagers, which helped us when on a bus from Pokhara to Delhi.
ID कार्ड दिखाओ, बिना ID टिकट नहीं मिलेगा.
My heart started beating furiously, but I held my composure and lied. तू जानता नहीं, मेरे पति सचिन यूपी के बड़े ठाकुर हैं और मैं उनकी ठाकुराइन. Which worked, and he gave tickets for me and my children. After reaching Delhi's Kashmiri Gate ISBT, I took a bus from there to Jewel, a town near his village. When I got out at the Falida Road crossing in Raghupura, Sachin was there, on the other side of the road, waiting for me.
वाह, 5वीं कक्षा फेल लड़की ये सब अकेली की. समझ रखा है क्या हमें?
हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों कैसे पता है तुम्हें? अब सच बताओ, किसने दी ट्रेनिंग? नहीं मैम, मैं जब जवान थी तब मैंने इंग्लिश डिक्शनरी पढ़ के कुछ सीखा मेरे चचेरे भाई के साथ. मैं स्कूल नहीं गई, पर इतनी समझ है कि दुनिया कैसे चलती है.
Media reports soon began to circulate that Seema's uncle and brother were in the Pakistan army, and reportedly she even sent friend requests to Indian army soldiers on Facebook. Yet, it is still not proven if she is a Paki spy.
Till we have enough proof, it would not be appropriate to say anything on this.
The ATS also seized a remarkable 5 SIM cards, 4 phones, Seema's Pakistani identity card, a passport and a children's passports from their home, which have been sent to the Pakistan embassy in Delhi to verify whether she is actually a Pakistani national. Shashastra Seema Bal, the force which guards the India-Nepal border in UP and Bihar, is also under the spotlight for letting Seema pass the border so easily. In their first action, they suspended and started an inquiry against the 2 guards who were on duty to inspect the bus on which Seema Haider travelled. The only crime Seema has definitely committed is illegally entering India, for which she can get 5 years in jail or the central government can deport her back to Pakistan. Seema's husband, Ghulam Haider, also appealed to the government of India via video message. Modi ji, Yogi ji, मेरे बीवी मेरे पास वापस भेज दो, please. For that to happen, Seema faces a threat from Mia Mittu, a controversial figure known for forcible conversion of Hindu girls to Islam. आने दो उसे, हालत बना के रखूंगा उसकी. However, another Pakistani girl, Ikra, who was illegally living with her Indian husband Mulayam Singh Yadav in Bengaluru, was sent back by the Indian authorities in February this year. They had also met and fallen in love on an online Ludo game. If Pakistani women can do it, so did India's 35-year-old Anju, who, leaving behind a husband and 2 children, a 15-year-old girl and a 6-year-old son, traveled all the way to Pakistan's Khyber Pakhtunkhwa to meet her 29-year-old lover Nasrullah in July this year. Though unlike Seema, Anju was smart and educated enough to go through the Wagah border on a legal visa. But like Haider, Anju reportedly converted to Islam, took Fatima as a new name and married her lover in a local district court. It appears that Pakistanis welcomed her, with a businessman gifting her 10 Marla housing land, 272 square feet and a check of PKR 50,000 rupees. But India's Hamid Ansari was not that lucky after he fell in love with a Pakistani girl on Facebook and went there to marry her in 2012. He was taken for an Indian spy and spent 6 years in jail there, enduring unbearable torture before he was finally released and came back to India, a story we covered in great detail. Sachin and Seema face a tough road ahead, with the UP police officials constantly outside their house in Rabupura, though they have shunned the paparazzi with a note outside their home. Media, please respect our privacy. Go away. Trapped in their house, Seema and Sachin are back to a life of financial hardships. Yet she is trying hard to become part of India, hosting the national flag on Independence Day.
Hindustan Zindabad! Jai Bharat Mata!
But everything will obviously depend on whether the ATS gives her a clean chit or not, and what kind of political pressures play out. Will Sachin Seema succeed?